Hello, loves. I got my last orders from Scrapbooking Made Simple. Let's go ahead and check them out. Okay, before I show you the Scrapbooking Made Simple order, I did order this from Stacy's regular sale that she has. She does have on Mondays. She does have a special sale that she introduces a new product, and this is usually the sale is $19.99, and she has a bundle. So I went ahead and got this bundle here. This is a regular price. Let me see if it makes it the regular price. Yeah, I'm not sure. And this usually will stay on sale until it's out of stock. So if it's in stock when I post this video, I will link it below. But yeah, I paid $19.99 for this one, and I'll show you what this bundle included. So this included the Tim Holtz Sizzix Thinlits, and this is the flower. The first one is the flower. That one. How nice is that? I love that. I ordered some white cardstock from Spellbinder, which is water color cardstock, which I want to use with this kind of dies. So I got that one, and that came in a bundle. And this is another one. And like I said, this right here was on $19.99 for the whole set. And this is a Sizzix framelit. And this comes with the frame with the two flowers. Goes on there. And then this also came with another one. Now for $19.99, this is an awesome deal right here. Because this, for one, is already over $19.99 sometimes. So that was the first one I got. Now for my warehouse sale that I bought, during the warehouse sale, should I say. Another sale, have you never been on it? It is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I will post the next time she does have a sale, and I believe she said she might have one in December. So I will post that because this sale is awesome. So let me show you what I did get. And this should be the last and final one of my orders. So the first thing I have here is it's a layering stencil from Inky Antics. Does it show? Okay, and it does show in the back. So this one's 3 different stencils, and it does create that. Love it. And then I do have another one which makes the flag, which has that one, and it creates those 3. I like mixed media, so that's why that's why I got those. Now these next little beauties are fabulous. And when I mean fabulous, I mean fabulous. Now these are stamps. And this is Sherry Baby My Besties Stamps. Loving Wishes stamps. Look at that. How cute is she? And then she does have a sentiment. She has 2 sentiments. She has that. And then she got some little extras. I saw these. I had to have these. I think I got all of them. I got that one. And then this one is Life is More with Your Bestie. Look at that one. How cute is she? And that's how the stamp looks like. Love, love, love. And here's another one. These are so cute. And that's how she comes on. It's just she does have a sentiment. Love it. Love, love, love. And this one is in a bathtub. Love, love, love. I tell you, this sale was amazing. This is the first time I went to it. You know that one? How cute is she? That's hers. So you do get it in the side profile. Love it. And there's another cutie. There. Cute, cute, cute. Love, love. Okay, this one is my favorite things, and this is a clear stamp. Stand out and be awesome. It's your birthday. I always look up, up, up to you. That. So that's just sentiments. Yeah, so that's your sentiments. This is Pink and Maine. This is a watermelon stamp. It does have 2 sentiments there. Love, love, love. I love it all. And this is another Pink and Maine. This one is a Halloween. Look at that. Love, love, love. I think this is the best one. This is from Inky Antics, and this is other sentiments. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. Amen. That's the truth. Look at that. That one. Another Inky Antics, and this is another sentiments. Make every day a happy day. Yeah. Create your own sunshine. Yeah, that's a nice one. Love it. Love, love, love. I have another sentiments from My Sentiment Exactly. Now, some of these companies I've never heard of. So if you've heard of these companies, let me know in the comments below, because I have never heard of them. And so, because I haven't, now I gotta look them up. And here's another one. There's another sentiment, and this one has a rose on there. Love it. Love, love, love. This is my favorite things. Oh, here goes some other sentiment, and this is actually a pretty big one. This one has mom. I'll give you an example. So it has mom, I want to be you when I grow up. So you'll have mom, and then you could have an add-on. How nice is that? So stars is another one. Stars, you twinkle. Also, you star, you twinkle. Shine bright, stars. Love it. There's another one, my favorite things. Oh, I like this because you got some bold. Don't know what I'll do without you. Love it. This is nice. Yeah, I tell you, the sale next time, you must go. This one has a lot of love, you, and it does have sentiments like I just really love you. You get me. Thank you. Wow, love it. Love, love, love. Oh, here goes the balloon one. So you got the spinky balloon. You got whoop, whoop. You did it. Rad. Congratulations. Woohoo. Yes. Yay. And there's another sentiment. Let's see the middle one. You are strong enough to get this far. You are strong enough to keep going. Amen. There you go. There's another favorite things. I gotta check this company out because they got real nice stamps. And this is a peacock. I love peacocks. I think they're one of my favorite animals. But the funny thing is, the male is the pretty one. Go figure, huh? But yeah, I love it. Love the peacock. Happy birthday. Strut your stuff. Real nice. Love it. And then my last one here is from Paper Smooches. Oh, that's a cute name. And this is just sentiments. There's bang boom, you're cool. Let's relax and chill. You melt my popsicle. That's pretty cute. I like that. But yeah, so a lot of them were sentiments, but they're real good sentiment. And like I said, this sale was amazing. So yeah, Stacy at Scrapbooking Made Simple. 2 thumbs up. I love the sale. I know you left the video saying on your terms and conditions that it will take a while to get our stuff. But you know what? I did not mind because this stuff is amazing. And thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, so everybody, I'll let you know when she has another sale because this sale was amazing. I will leave her shop in the links below. Like I said, she does have deals every week. She does tutorials every week. She does show new products every week, so support her channel. Yeah, she's amazing. I love her. I love her. So yeah, go ahead and go to her channel, show some support. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you've been to her channel or even been to the warehouse sale. Because like I said, this is my first time doing this sale, and I ran into her right before she did the warehouse sale in June. Amazing. That's all I can say. But yeah, leave a comment below. Hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And don't forget to subscribe. I love to have you part of my family. But yeah, with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.